Hello everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple videos to YouTube with just one click. First, log into the software. MKTube allows you to manage an unlimited number of YouTube channels. Next, go to the video posting feature and select Upload Video. Here, you will choose all your videos, enter their titles, descriptions, and tags. Then, set the number of concurrent upload threads. Finally, select all your YouTube channels and click Start. The software will automatically upload the videos to all selected channels for you. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a like and subscribe to get notified about upcoming videos. If you're interested in the software, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp.